Hello everyone, welcome back to in this video I will show you how to enable biometric login, which is a Face ID fingerprint on Phantom. So here I'm currently on their official website. So here is the step-by-step guide on how you can enable it. So to turn off your biometric authentication, so on iPhone, you open on the settings on your iPhone, go to the application and then tap on Phantom. So from there you will see the option to turn on the Face ID access. Now in the Phantom wallet, you just have to open the Phantom on the mobile application, tap on your profile avatar in the upper left corner, and then go to settings, tap on security and privacy, which is this one, and then turn on use Face ID authentication. If you use Touch ID or fingerprint, the name may differ, so it depends. So this one, you will just have to enable this one. As you can see, you just have to toggle this on to enable the biometric login. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!